Hello, everyone. My name is Daniel Thomas-Lopez, and I'm going to talk about the EOSC-Life Remote Training Series, an exchange of experience forum that was created for supporting the adaptation of face-to-face training to remote training. EOSC-Life is a European project in which the 13 biological and medical research infrastructures in Europe have joined forces to create an open, collaborative digital space for the life sciences in the European Open Science Cloud. You are welcome to visit our website and follow our social networks for more information about EOSC-Life. Last year, we witnessed how we had to rapidly switch all our face-to-face events to a remote setting. And this included as well the training events from EOSC-Life and the research infrastructures. As a working definition, we consider a virtual training event the one where there is at least partially live interaction among the participants or between participants and the trainers. We realized that EOSC-Life and RI partners were in need of support and training to carry out this transition to virtual. And that is why we launched the EOSC-Life Remote Training Series. This series was created as a knowledge exchange forum where participants could share their experience using tools or software for virtual events, talk about what worked and what had not worked for them, or share questions for which they are looking for answers. It takes place monthly, mainly in 1-hour sessions that are recorded and shared afterwards in a listed YouTube playlist for the community. Some of the topics that have been presented include how to record your presentations, how to prepare a handbook for virtual courses. We have also done live demos of virtual platforms such as Gather Town or Remo. Additionally, during this year, there have been 3 one-day workshops. The initial one was focused on discussing how to adapt our content to our remote delivery. The second one was focused on the remote access of users to physical machinery and how to provide remote training to those users. Finally, we recently hosted a one-day knowledge exchange workshop about organizing hybrid events, as we believe these kind of events will likely take place more and more frequently in the near future. We believe the series has been a success with a community of practice established that attends regularly the sessions. And we think it has helped to increase the networking in our community, especially in these times of remote-only interaction. As the series is also adapting and evolving with the global situation. As in the beginning, the topics were focused only on a remote approach, but now we are also considering those hybrid aspects of training. We have a list of topics coming up in the future. We would especially like to deliver some sessions around the accessibility in remote training and in hybrid training. And we are always open to new topics and interest from participants in presenting. So you are very welcome to contact us if you would like to attend or present. Finally, I would like to thank everyone who attends and participates in the series, to those who have organized and facilitate sessions, and to all of you for your interest in this communication. Thank you very much.